Vertical sustainable cities, an ecological, green future. With the world's population growing at an alarming rate, urbanization has emerged as a critical concern. Cities are growing more populous, and there is a greater demand for resources. With climate change affecting the entire globe, the need for sustainable living has never been greater. Vertical sustainable cities are developing as a potential answer to these difficulties. A vertical sustainable city is a self-sufficient, environmentally friendly, and green living place constructed vertically rather than outwards. This urban development strategy can help cities lower their environmental effect, reduce their carbon footprint, and create a more livable and sustainable urban environment. Green and sustainable lifestyle. Vertical sustainable cities have a lower environmental impact than traditional cities. These cities are intended to reduce waste and energy usage. These include green places such as parks and gardens, as well as renewable energy sources such as solar and wind energy. These cities also highlight the usage of recycled materials and urge inhabitants to embrace sustainable behaviors. Vertical sustainable cities intend to minimize greenhouse gas emissions by reducing the demand for transportation. These communities are designed in such a way that inhabitants may walk or bike to their destinations, lessening their reliance on automobiles. Buildings in vertical sustainable cities are likewise built to consume less energy and emit less greenhouse gas. They employ energy-efficient materials and design elements such as insulation, ventilation systems, and temperature-regulating windows are all options. Water providers. Vertical sustainable cities are designed with water-saving and waste reduction technologies. They have a closed-loop water system that catches and purifies wastewater before using it for non-potable activities such as irrigation and toilet flushing. This method cuts water use by up to 50% and eliminates the need for additional water sources. System of transportation. To lessen the need for vehicles, vertical sustainable cities promote public transit systems such as trains, buses, and trams. These cities are designed with transportation infrastructure that promotes people to walk and bike. Moreover, vertical sustainable communities combine car sharing and bike sharing programs to limit the usage of personal automobiles even further. The advantages of vertically sustainable cities. Vertical sustainable cities have various advantages that can improve people's quality of life and create a more sustainable future. Among the advantages are 1. Increased air quality. Because vertical sustainable cities minimize the number of automobiles on the road, air quality improves and the danger of respiratory ailments decreases. 2. Reduced carbon footprint. These towns employ renewable energy sources and environmentally friendly building materials, which decreases their carbon footprint and aids in the fight against climate change. 3. Effective land use. By constructing vertically, vertical sustainable cities use land more efficiently, which may help protect green spaces and natural ecosystems. 4. Sustainable water management. These cities' closed-loop water systems decrease water use and waste. 5. Vertical sustainable cities foster community development. By embracing common places like as parks, gardens, and public transit. Vertical sustainable cities difficulties. While vertical sustainable cities have various advantages, they also have significant drawbacks. Among these difficulties are 1. High costs. Due to the utilization of sustainable materials and renewable energy sources, building a vertical sustainable city might be costly. 2. Accessibility. Because vertical sustainable cities might be pricey and do not provide appropriate housing for low-income inhabitants, they may not be accessible to everyone. 3. Possible health risks. Building higher can result in social isolation and a lack of sunshine, both of which can be detrimental to mental and physical health. Conclusion. Vertical sustainable cities are a viable approach for urban sustainability. These communities can help prevent climate change and enhance inhabitants' quality of life by embracing sustainable practices, renewable energy, and smart land use. While building vertical sustainable cities presents problems, the potential benefits make them a feasible alternative for the future.